But the truth was that I was in trouble because I had let my textbooks become a crutch. If I didn't sever ties with my textbooks, I would stay in that exact same rut, and I would miss out on the impact that I could have on those kids' lives. So right after I got computers in my class, I was all excited about all of the apps and the digital tools and the websites that I could use. But part of the problem is that I didn't always check them out ahead of time as well as I should have. Story of our lives, right? Because we want to be that teacher. You know, the teacher that kids remember. The teacher that made class fun, made the content interesting. The teacher that showed them that they loved learning. No, on second thought, we don't want to be that teacher. We do it because we want kids to have had that teacher. And they've become a better person because of it. And our community is richer because of it. And the world is a better place because of it. We are asked to instruct, supervise, personalize, and individualize, yet standardize, maintain fidelity, and leave no child behind. I don't know if you've ever tried to talk to English-speaking kids in Spanish before, but when you do, it kind of makes them nervous, and they avoid eye contact with you. They slip in the door, sit down at their desk, and they hide behind their hand. They're like, I hope he doesn't talk to me in Spanish again. Model how to deal with inadequacies. Identify shortcomings. Cry. Throw things. Shake your head. Don't give up. Accept your fallibility. Move forward anyway. Pursue progress recklessly. Repeat. And repeat again. And repeat again. Retire. You know, taking a risk is scary. A lot of times it's not at the top of our to-do list. Whenever somebody asks you, what are you doing today? People's gut instinct usually isn't to say, oh, I was thinking about taking some risks. Yeah, risk-taking. Coffee first, but then risk-taking.
We'll give it a shot.
Here we go. Oh, we're halfway there. Oh, living on a prayer. Yeah. Yes. You guys didn't know we were going to do karaoke tonight, did you? Right? I'm all full of surprises.